I will first give an opening statement regarding Empire Day and Constitution Day, and then I will proceed with the interest rate announcement. November 12th marked the third annual Empire and Constitution Day. Empire Day acknowledges the day that Utrean became an empire, on November 12th, 2021. When Utrean was founded, we began as a kingdom, and around 1 week later, we transitioned to a republic. We remained a republic until November 12th, 2021. On November 11th, 2021, the Utrean government held a referendum asking the citizens if they would like to see a Utrean empire. 100% of the 12 voters were in support of establishing an empire, and on November 12th, 2021, the Utrean Empire was officially and formally established. Later that same day, we adopted the first official version of the Utrean Empire's constitution, which is why November 12th marks two major events and milestones in Utrean's history and development. I will now begin the UCBIR interest rate announcement. The Utrean Central Bank shall maintain the UCBIR interest rate at 0.85%, making no changes to the interest rate in the month of November. As of the October 27th calculation, Utrean has experienced a slight further deceleration in the inflation rate, with CPI inflation estimated to have very slightly fallen from 4.16% in September. Excess supply is estimated to be around the same levels which were seen in September. It should be noted that any minor increase in excess supply on certain grocery products is likely temporary and is as a result of some of the lingering supplies from increased imports which occurred in October and early November in anticipation of several holidays and other major national events. Some of those holidays and events were Empire and Constitution Day and the Utrean Empire's October 2024 general election, among many other holidays and events beginning September onwards. The Utrean Central Market saw slightly slower sales in October, however, sales remained above the sales target. The Utrean Central Bank has determined that conditions still do not warrant monetary policy easing. However, as inflation continues to remain higher than earlier this year, it appears that excess supply is returning to more balanced levels and that monetary policy easing could be seen very, very soon. Central banks from around the world are continuing to lower interest rates, including the Bank of Canada. As a result, the Utrean Central Bank shall leave interest rates unchanged at 0.85% in November. In October, Utrean's GDP is estimated to have grown at a much faster pace than in September. It is estimated that the current levels of demand will continue to reduce excess supply to moderate levels. We have made significant progress in reducing the high levels of excess supply seen earlier this year to much lower and increasingly stable levels now, and we are fully committed to returning excess supply to moderate levels. Additionally, the Utrean Central Bank shall continue its current policy of extremely small scales of quantitative tightening. It is still expected that when excess supply returns back to normal levels, that the Utrean Central Bank will aim for a neutral rate of interest of around 0.5%. Lastly, the Utrean Central Bank will not rule out future rate hikes if conditions warrant such. Thank you for listening to this press release.